This is what happens in Vegas when it fucking rains. The water and air pressure was so much that it was kicking the manhole covers up off of manholes. Over the side, you can't even see the sidewalk.
Yeah.
It's completely covered.
On both sides of the street.
On both sides, yeah. I know. On video.
This is normally 5 lanes here. And
Yeah.
sidewalks.
Yeah, 5 lanes plus sidewalks on both sides. We're right out front of the Doolittle Community Center. Right here. Yeah, time to put the windows up. This poor lady stuck out, sloshing on the side of the road. Surprised these trucks haven't been moved.
Oh, splash zone. Look at the cars over there.
Oh, Jesus.
Watch. This is a 4-wheel drive. I mean, this is an SUV, but that one wasn't too bad. That little car went through there and was at the doors.
Uh-huh.
That's pretty funny.
Hey, look, some people know how to drive in the water. Not all of them, but some of them. Mother, pay attention.
I wanted to wait till the manhole cover was back in the hole.
Again?
Yeah.
Huh, what's the fun in that?
I'm gonna blow a tire and have to get out and change it. That's a mess.
Feel sorry for him. He almost hydroplaned. Yeah. See this shit? It's into the parking lot of the barber shop and the nail salon. Welcome to Vegas, bitches.
Look at past the fire hydrant.
That's funny.
Gee, it only rained for about 15 minutes.
Literally, it only rained for 15 minutes and we had a little teeny tiny bit of hail. That's it. That's it. This is funny. Nobody wants to drive very quick or anything. Not that I blame them. Oh, look, we even got a four-wheeler here. He thinks he's funny. This is entertaining as shit to me. There is a sidewalk under this. I promise. You can't see it, but there is one. Somewhere. There, see, you can see part of it right there. There is sidewalk there. It's hidden, but there's sidewalk there. Down both sides of the street. Same for over here. You just can't see any of it. Oh, look at this guy. Messy, 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 messy. Oh my god. Goodness.
I need to get gas before we go home, too.
That's how deep it is. And those are standard curbs. They're not nothing special. It's coming up to the steps on this building. Army of God Ministries. Oh, this is so fun. I love Vegas sometimes. But only when it rains. It's nice and dreary.
So what, 4